In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Thunderbird is already running and not responding issue. Now there's three fixes we're going to go over, and I'm going to show you every single one step by step. The first thing is going to be to end the active background process. So this is going to be super simple. All you have to do is basically close down any instance of Thunderbird you may have, and then you want to go down here to the bottom on your taskbar. You want to right click it and click on Task Manager. In here, you want to find up top the search box and you want to type in Thunderbird, okay? So I'm just going to type in, there we go. As you can see, there's a few instances. You want to click on the parent one like this, click on End Task, and then make sure there's nothing called Thunderbird in here anymore. Now, whenever there's nothing anymore, close it and reopen Thunderbird by clicking on it, and now it should be working. That's the first thing you can do. But if that didn't work, you could also try a separate method. You want to go and delete the profile lock file. So press Windows plus R on your keyboard, and if you press Windows plus R, it's going to open this run command, and you want to type in %appdata%, okay? Now, whenever you've done this, you want to click on the OK button. It's going to open up your files. You want to click on roaming up top, and then from here you want to look for Thunderbird. Now the easiest way is to simply press T on your keyboard. It's going to go down to T, and then click on the Thunderbird to open the folder. And in here you want to go to Profiles, and you want to select your specific profile folder that you use. I use this one, so I'm going to click on it, double click. And then in here, you want to press the P button. So press P, and it's going to find this one, which is called Parent Lock. Now you may have to delete this, and when you do so, of course, you can just try restarting or relaunching Thunderbird, and that could also fix your issue super simply, okay? But then the third way, if none of these helped, is simply to restart your computer and try opening up Thunderbird again. And then when you do this, you actually should be able to open up Thunderbird successfully. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.